Hello, daddy's little rascals. Today I'm gonna unbox this Honor Magic 8 Lite phone that I just got. Package seems sleek, stylish. Let's see about the phone. Just some plastic covering. So the plastic is away now, and the first feel of the phone is stylish and pretty lightweight. And the front displays, or the main display, how do you want to say it, but it doesn't have big frames. That's a good thing, I think. And there's some speaker, charging port and speaker and SIM card slot. And the main camera. There's 3 cameras and a flash. This is pretty good feel overall. Stays in the hand. It's not slippery by any means. It feels pretty good. And, okay. Yes. Display seems pretty fine, I think. I'm gonna get it working and get back to you after the week. I'm gonna use this in a Finnish weather and maybe in the sauna as well to see how the battery is reacting to the temperatures, minus and plus. So I'm gonna get back to you after the weekend to give you a review about this phone and the user experiment and stuff like that. But overall, excited to get it working and see how the cameras are performing and the battery. Okay, see you in a bit.